In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way that you can use Apple Music for free. Yes, this is solely for free. So after watching this video, you'll be able to use Apple Music without paying for anything. So Apple used to charge for $3.29 per each and every month, and when you calculate it for a year, it is $39.48 each and every year. And my name is Brian. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time on my channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop a new content like this one. Don't forget to like this video for me to see that you really enjoyed my video, and also leave all your comments, suggestions, and all compliments in the comment section, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Well, I have a Telegram channel or WhatsApp group where we share ideas over there. You can check the description for the link to this Telegram channel and the WhatsApp group in order to join. In order to make money online, download 1xBet from the Google Play Store or from the App Store and register with my promo code BRIANUPDATE in order to get up to 300% bonus. Yes, 300% bonus on your first deposit. So without wasting my time, let's get back to this video. Music is the source of happiness for many people. That's the main reason why I made this particular video. And also for people who can't afford to pay for the Apple Music, that's the $3.29 per each and every month. So this video is for you guys. So before you start this particular video, just take your iPhone, your iPad, or your Mac, any iOS device that you're having, and you can see the music app over there. You can see the music over here. So just open it. So when I open it, in the home tab you can see listen now. The listen now is over here. So go to listen now and let's wait patiently as it loads. Yes, so you can see get 1 month of free music, get 1 month of free music. And after watching this particular video, you will see that you can use this trick for many years. You can see try it for free 1 month for blah blah blah. So let's click on it and you can see individual accounts over here, and the account, it is 1 month free trial. And after watching this video, you can use this particular trick to use Apple Music for many years. You can see starting from 7th April 2023. So from this to the next month. So if you're using iPhone of 8 plus and below, you use your thumbprints to verify. If you're using X and upward, you use your Face ID. So just click on continue, like to subscribe, add a new payment method. You will only be charged when the trial ends. So just click on continue, simply click on continue, and I'll show you all the tricks involved in this particular tutorial. So just click on continue as we move on. Yes, so to take you to this particular page for you to add your payment method, that's Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. This is very simple. I've already made a video on how you can get a free Visa card on my YouTube channel. So I'll go to my YouTube channel and show you the video over there. So I'll go to my channel and search for this particular video over here, how to get free virtual card for online payments. The link to this particular video is left in the description as well, so you can click on it and watch the video in order to get free Visa card for your online payments. And if it's for this tutorial, this is the video how to create a Visa card without any bank accounts. Yes, so you can create international Visa card for free. This is solely for free. So watch this video to get the card for this particular tutorial. So you can see if you're having the Visa card or your MasterCard, you can see you're having a 14 digits, or is it a 10 digits or 14 digits code? Yeah, so just copy the 14 digits code, then paste it in the first place. Yeah, so Z number, you paste it over there, and you can see the expiry date of your card. Yes, each and every card has expiry date, the month and the year. So I'll just enter mine here. Mine is 11th, and I'll enter the dates over here, and I'll add my security code, as the CVV. Add a security code over here, and I'll click on OK. I'll click on done. Yes, I'll click on done. So let's wait as it's processing. As I said earlier on, if you don't have a virtual card or a Visa card, just watch the video in order to get access to the free Visa card. It's for free. You won't pay anything, so just check it out. And you can see, boom, I'm using Apple Music for free. I'm using Apple Music for free. You can search for any music, any artist, any album in this particular Apple Music for free. People are paying, but we'll be using it for free over here. Yes, you can see a lot of albums over here, and you can listen it for free. Yes, it is for free. So let me move up and search for my favorite artist. So let me see if I can find it here. No, let me search for my favorite artist. That's Black Sharif over here. So I'll enter the Black Sharif over here, and you can see his account and his songs over here. So you can see a lot of songs by Black Sharif down here, and this is for 1 month. I'll show you the trick for you to use this for many years. So keep on watching this video to an end so that you won't be missed out. So after you've gotten the first 1 month for free, just move to your settings. Yes, you can use this for many years as well. So go to your phone settings and you can click on the iCloud. This is my iCloud account, so I click on my iCloud and you can see media and purchases. You can see I've already logged in my iCloud over here, and you can see the media and purchases. So you can log out from the media and purchases. You can log out your main iCloud from the media and purchases and log in another iCloud. Yes, log in another iCloud which won't affect the main iCloud on your iPhone or your iPad or any Mac iOS device that you are using. So just sign out that one and you can use it for the following month. So when you sign out, you will just use the same details of your virtual card or your MasterCard for this particular operation. So thank you very much for watching this video. The comment section is yours. Leave all compliments, all questions and all suggestions in the comment box, and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you have a video suggestion too, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll do justice to that. Follow me for more tips and tricks like this.